pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Holly Springs Local and Long Distance Movers near me. Do we have the right equipment to pull off a long-distance relocation? Yes, we do. Clients love that we have just the right equipment to transport their loads, no matter how heavy or light it is. Our drivers pay attention to every detail, and when we are in charge of your belongings, we make sure that they are carefully arranged, labeled, and loaded into our trucks. We have professional drivers that understand the intricacies of every move. They drive carefully and are responsible to clients, ensuring that they get you to your location quickly. With us at the helm of your move, you can rest assured knowing your relocation is in safe hands. We do not damage clients' items or goods, and we ensure that we deliver your belongings to the agreed destination in one piece. As long as you accept, we provide insurance to cover all risks incurred during and after the move. That way, security is guaranteed during transit. We are your best bet if you want to relocate locally. If you want to achieve a smooth move, you will need to work with us and provide your schedule so that things can go seamlessly. We are your top choice for anyone planning to relocate within the locality, especially because of our customer service. We are always available so that if you have to move urgently, we can always do it swiftly. Our services are budget friendly. We charge about $30 to $40 per hour, which makes us the best option for you, your friends, and your family. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Holly Springs moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.